Yeah, good day, guys. So there are a lot of crypto coins that when you go into those crypto coins, you can be able to invest in those coins and make some, returns or some profit. Okay. So I posted one of the coins last week about AVAX. Okay. And this particular coin is also known as the Dogecoin. Okay. The Dogecoin. So I just want to, show you how you can be able to make money in Dogecoin up to 35% returns. Okay, depending on the amount of money that you are going to invest in the Dogecoin. Okay, so now if you can read through the platform to read their terms and conditions and everything about the Dogecoin and how it works on this particular platform. Okay, very good. So now let me take you through how I make profit from by staking a Dogecoin. You understand? You click on the link and it opens for you. You are gonna see this interface like this. Then you can click on get started. Okay, so now let me go back and show you something first. So if you go back, the moment you click on the link, something like this is gonna open for you. Okay, then you click on get started. You understand? When you click on get started, then you just fill in your details. Okay, you fill in your details to what register your account. Okay, so for example, you just click on the get started like this, and then you just have to fill in your details. So you just fill in your details over here, your email address, your login password, you confirm the password, your security password. This is what the password that you are going to withdraw the money. Okay, then you confirm the security password, then you just click on what to register your account. You're gonna see the interface like this. You can read through everything over here that you need to understand. Okay, you can shift to the left side like this, or you can click on the next. Okay, a new one will pop up, then you want to read through everything to understand how this works. Those of you who watched the previous video that I posted about AVAX, it's the same thing. They work the same. It's the same format as the AVAX platform. You understand? Yeah, but the coins are different. Okay, and then the returns too are different. So now you can adjust through this this bar over here to increase the prices. Okay, so the more you increase the prices, and then you can also set the days over here. Okay, see that this one is at 1 day, right? You can click on this thing to shift the bar to the left or to the right to adjust the number of days you want the term to finish in order to make your profit. You understand? So as the more you increase your capital, the more the profit over here also being calculated. Okay, very good. So now if you check over here in 35 days, if let's say you deposit or you invest $1,208 over here for 35 days, in 35 days time you are going to earn 8,033. So every 24 hours you are going to earn $29 every 24 hours for 35 days. So if you increase the price, the number of days over here, this place too is going to change. Okay, so for example, you see that I've changed it to 52 days. So in 52 days time, you are going to earn 11,935 USDT. So daily, every 24 hours, 229 for 52 days. You understand? So you can adjust through the price, the days over here like this, and then also you can adjust through the amount over here. So for example, if I make it like $1,000, you can also click on it like this to enter the amount that you want to enter. So for example, $1,000, you are going to make 19% per day. So every day 190 USDT. For if it is 35 days that you set, you are going to earn 6,650. Now I made a deposit of 18 USDT. So I'm going to use some to show you how it is. So I'm going to set my own to the amount is 18 USDT, and then I want to make it up to 35 days. So in 35 days time, I'm going to earn 94 USDT. So every 24 hours is 2.7 USDT. Okay, I hope you understand. Very good. So after you've done your deposit or your recharge and the money has reflected, you just have to come and click on staking over here. After you finish setting your amount and then the days over here, come and click on staking over here like this, right? So when you click on it, then you click on confirm over here. Okay, so every 24 hours I'm going to earn 2.7 USDT as you are seeing on the screen over here. Okay, so you could check it over here. The order has been created for me over here. Okay, that is today's date and then the time I make this purchase. Okay, very good. So now let's go back and let me go and show you how you can be able to recharge into your account. So if you click on the recharge over here like this, okay, Then you can choose through the coins that you want, the network that you want to use to recharge, either TRX, BEP20, TRC20, or BNB or BEP20 USDC. So I will advise you to go for the BEP20 USDT. This tutorial is not a financial advice. So if you go in and something happen, it is at your own loss or at your own cost. Okay, I am not responsible for any losses that you are gonna make in the future. You understand? So I want you to know that I am disclaiming that this is not a financial advice. Okay, very good. So make sure that you do your research very well about this platform to understand how it works and how it operates before you dive into it. Okay, very good. So if you finish choosing the network, then you click on this copy icon here to copy it. Then you go to your this one, your crypto wallet, to go and transfer the money through BEP20. If you want to know how to transfer, watch the video I posted last week about AVAX. The same method, how to deposit and how to withdraw. Okay, very good. Then you can also click on the referral program over here to copy your link and send it to your friend. Those who want to join this platform, you can click on your link over here. Then you share it to your friends. You are gonna make 10% for your first level, then 3% for your second level, and then 1% for your third level. Okay, very good. So if you want to make more money for yourself, you can click on that place and then share your links to your friends for them to also benefit. So if you want to withdraw, it's very simple. You just have to click on the withdraw button over here like this. Then if you want to use TRX to withdraw, you can choose it, or BEP20, you can choose BEP20. Go and copy your BEP20 address, come and paste over here. You enter the amount, your password, then you click on confirm over here. Okay, after 24 hours, I have come back to my account, and you can all see that now I have been able to earn 2.7 USDT in my account, as you can see over here. Okay, so right now I'm going to withdraw this money right now into my Binance account. Okay, so I'll click on the withdraw over here. Okay, then I'll come and click on the BEP20 over here, as you can see over here. When I finish, then I'll click on I'll go and copy my BEP20 address over here. I'll come and click on add funds here. Okay, then when I click on the add funds, I'll click on deposit crypto and then down here. Okay, then I'll choose USDT over here, or I can search in the search bar here. Okay, it's all the same, USDT. When it comes, then you click on BEP20, this one. Okay, so you choose that one, BEP20. Then you click on the copy icon here to copy this address. Then you go back. Now, so when I come back, I come and paste the link, the address I copied over there, and I will enter the amount over here. So I'm going to withdraw everything. So I click on the all here to enter all the amount. Then I'll click on and I will enter my security password here and click on confirm to withdraw 2.7 USDT. Okay, draw this money to my Binance account, and I will show you the proof. But before I show you the proof, let me go and show you something over here before we continue. Okay, so now if I come back to my account here, now you see this interface over here, right? Click on the next. Okay, and then click on the next again. Then you see the this thing, the plans. Okay, the plans are here. Okay, so they have the short-term project, that is the part 1. Okay, 1-day pledge plan, that is within 24 hours. So they say pledge amount from 8 USDT to 18 USDT. So if you deposit from 8, so it means the minimum amount you can recharge in this platform is 8 USDT. You understand? So if you charge between 8 to 18 USDT, then that one is for only 24 hours. Okay, then they said withdrawal at maturity, principal 10 USD plus income 1.2 USD. So if let's say you deposit 10 USDT, it means you are going to earn 1.2 USD as profit in 24 hours. So in total, you are going to make 11.2 USDT, and you can be able to withdraw both your capital and then the profit as well. Okay, now then if you check then they have the long-term project. That one is from part 2 to 8. Okay, they said each item is restricted to 10 purchases only. Okay, you can buy it up to 10 times. You understand? Now check this place here. They said from 35 days to 365 days, which is 1 year. They have that plan over there. Okay, now check this place. They said the daily income is from 15 to 35% profit. They said profit can be collected every 24 hours. Okay, Let me go and show you the proof that I have received this money. Okay, now somebody may ask, when was this platform launched? Okay, now if you want to know when this platform was launched, I would advise you to go and read their white paper. I hope you understand. Yes, so if you want to know their white paper, let me click on this D here, and then you come back to this place, click on the three lines at the top here, and then you scroll up. Okay, these are white books. Be able to read their white paper and know when this platform came into existence. Okay, and you can also download their app as well to make it easier for you to log in. Okay, so you see the app is here. You can be able to confirm it and download the app into your account. Okay, now so you can click on the get started here to log in your account, then you click on the three lines at the top corner here, and you can still download the app over here. Now, if you check over here, I have received the money that I just withdrew from my account. Okay, your deposit of 2.7 USD is now available in your account. Okay, so now that is how this platform works, and I'm going to show you some free bonus. If you are part of this particular platform, they have some daily draws on their Telegram platform, which they give free money. Okay, let me go and show you that one also. Now this is their Telegram platform. Okay, they have about 5,000 members. Okay, yeah, they have about 5,000 members over here, guys. So you can be able to join. The link to join this one too is in the description below. You can join their Telegram platform over here to participate in their daily draw. Okay, so that you can be able to earn some cool cash for yourself. Just join and then read their terms and conditions for the pinned messages over here. Okay, you can read everything to participate in their draws in order to get money every single day for free. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.